ngarang Moreh kuki militeni haiba sakhangdaba singna kaptuna hatkiba SDPO Moreh Ch.Anandakumar gi thawai yaodraba hakchang state ki thakta ekai khumnaba utkhare hiramasida report ama JNIMS के मोक्त की पुरक लबा matung Kangla के western gate ता ima kayana leikhidraba की maphamda leishu kattuna ekai khumnaba utkhi leikhidrabagi maphamda ekai khumnaba aduda saruk yakiba saknairaba artist kaikunashu wafam kaya thamlakhi
Tahanan thudokse yang kai bukti bani hani aduga thoi thudok ta sena khoi maduda ne paja khudi man kanjem tawi aduga hojiki tawi ba misar to yang athu mato sarkar na phabi raga mai mathata achuba akoi punishment bi raga support se athu budu government ming jangan ninge nai
tungda ahanba Manipur Rifles ke complex ta puraktuna lenga ke maikeidagi awangba thakta ekai khumnaba utkhi leikhidraba Ch.Anandakumar gi maphamda Chief Minister N Biren Council of Minister MLA Singh amadi lenga ki official kayana ekai khumnaba utkhi Chief Minister N. Birena Thodok Asi Yamna Pangdaba Thong Amani Mihat Asida Chenaba Singh Lemna Tharoi Haina Phongdokhi.
SDPO Yamna Marin Leiba Maribang Ningba Aduga Bharat Jatigi Oina Manipuri Mani Am Sauksaninga with a police officer Mani Mabu encountered another Lona Lumaga Yamna Kawardi Ek Magivakada called blooded Haki Vasi Gomena Am Satina Am Seres Winilowi Equingarang Kudaktagi Moibu Adu Makawardi terrorist in the Fanana with them Kanba joint combined team gi Army, Assam Rifles, BSF, Police, Commandos, Mayam gi Punba joint operation Hogre culprit Singh the father Hawa left in a coming operation.
Security Advisor Kuldeep na Mihat Asigi Matang that Chenaba Singh Masakhangle Haibaga loinana Makataba investigation Sathari Haina Phongdokhi.
We have sent approximately RAF, as you know, the RAF was already sent in Moreh area. And yesterday, after this incident, we have sent the forces to Moreh also. And by road, we have sent forces by road. Though there were some ambush on the road where 3 boys got injured. But after that, they have been sent. And in the night, all security forces escorted approximately 60 commandos and other forces. They have gone there. And whatever blockade they had created in Moreh, that has been removed yesterday itself. Combined SF's raid is going on, and we have also identified who was the person who basically the group which indulged in this kind of activity. The investigation is on, and we are in a we hope that we will be able to arrest them very quickly.
So how?
No, we have. That's what I am telling you. That these kind of arrangements have been made, and the police has taken full control of Moreh. Now there is no this thing that the Manipur police will not be able to function in Moreh. That has been totally taken care of, and all security forces, including Manipur police, will fully operate in Moreh. Whenever forces move, and if there are inimical elements on way, they sometimes lay their ambush, and forces had been able to thwart that ambush, and after that they could reach there. So ambush, number of times militants place ambush, so that ambush was taken care of.
Can you disclose the identified groups?
No, that will be bad for the investigation.
Tungda Hawam Marakta Laiba Leikhidrabagi Yumda Puraktuna ekai khumnaba su utkhi. Mihat asigi matang da semkhiba JAC gi convener Maibam Ratanna leingakna JAC na thongkhiba wafam singi matang da wafam kaya su phongdorakhi.
Masuduna tawrage habgi thajabadasu leore aduga akhoi na ngarang dagi JAC na family gi laiba ꯊꯕꯛꯀꯤꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯟꯅ ꯃꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯒꯣꯔꯃꯦꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯅꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯃꯁꯨ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯀꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯥꯜꯂꯤꯕ ꯗꯤꯃꯥꯟꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯦꯔꯣꯔꯤꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯥꯏꯀꯩ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯏꯕ ꯊꯧꯔꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯁꯨꯝ ꯇꯧꯔꯕꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯑꯋꯥꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯥꯛꯀꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯂꯩꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯗꯨ ꯈꯟꯅꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯁꯥꯟꯇꯤ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯁꯤ ꯄꯨꯔꯛꯅꯕꯗꯣ ꯑꯃꯨꯛꯇꯪ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯕꯤꯌꯨ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯝꯖꯔꯝꯃꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯅ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯊꯣꯏꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯕꯨ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯣꯔꯦꯗ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯗꯅ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯦꯠ ꯐꯣꯔꯁꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯜꯍꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯄ ꯂꯩꯔꯣꯏ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯆꯪꯁꯤꯟꯒꯅꯤ ꯃꯈꯥ ꯇꯥꯕ ꯊꯕꯛ ꯊꯧꯔꯝ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯅ ꯉꯔꯥꯡ ꯃꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯦꯕꯤꯅꯦꯠꯅ ꯂꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞꯇꯨꯅ ꯃꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯕꯣꯝꯕꯤꯡ ꯑꯣꯄꯔꯦꯁꯟ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯂꯦꯞꯇꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯆꯠꯊꯈꯤꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯅꯁꯨ ꯊꯝꯕꯤꯔꯛꯏ